What's up guys, Sherlock here. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to download memes from meme apps or meme soundboards. So, you'll need ES File Manager, LUCKYPATCHER, and meme soundboard. ES File Manager and LUCKYPATCHER are on my description. So, here, like this, for example, this meme soundboard doesn't have any save buttons or any download button for us to use the memes on external. So here, so step 1, go to the LUCKYPATCHER here, so you can see LUCKYPATCHER pop-ups. You'll just click no, then find the meme soundboard, then go to tools here, tools, then back up APK file. Then when you have back up the APK file, go to the ES File Manager. That's the step 2. Go to the ES File Explorer, So here, go to the Android, here, data, then find the LUCKYPATCHER's data file. So here, the last file, then files. The name of the LUCKYPATCHER file is RUYFARPSS and etc. Then file the LUCKYPATCHER, then go to the backup. Then after that, you'll rename this meme soundboard into a zip file. So here, some application will not need to rename zip file, so let's check it. We'll just erase the APK. So here, meme soundboard, other, then ES file zip viewers. So here, so there, as you can see, there's an error. Let's try again. We'll go to files or back, then we'll just rename it into zip file. So here, we'll rename the APK into zip, ZIP. So here, as you can see, the icon just turned into RAR file or zip file. So here, we are now on the app. Now there are 5 files. These 5 files contains the musics or the memes. So let's just find it. So here, so let's just find it one by one. That's not hard. So there's no names in here. Rest. Let's check this. So row. Let's check the row. Maybe as you can see, there they are, the memes, the sound memes on the row. So there, as you can see, row. So let's just extract that file, the row file, into the download file. So here, and set OK. Then okay. Then as you can see, we have now successfully extracted the file. So let's check it. Here, external. So we'll go to the download, then rest, row, then here, as you can see, this are the meme sounds. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.